enjoying the video so far, then please press the like button. It really helps the channel and keeps us motivated to keep making great videos for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of our latest updates. Let's get to Section 4. Section 4. Climate change and the future of cloudbursts. Right? Climate change and the future of cloudbursts. As we continue our exploration into the world of cloudbursts, it's essential to address the elephant in the room, climate change. The role it plays in intensifying these natural phenomena is a topic that demands our attention and understanding. So let us delve deeper and find out how our changing climate is shaping the future of cloudbursts and what that means for us. Scientists around the world are increasingly linking the increase in extreme weather events, like cloudbursts, directly to human-induced climate change. Several factors are contributing to this trend, and understanding them is crucial for predicting what lies ahead. Firstly, warmer air can hold more moisture. As global temperatures rise due to climate change, the atmosphere, particularly the lower troposphere, becomes warmer. This means that the air can hold more water vapor, leading to more moisture being present in the atmosphere. This additional moisture provides the necessary ingredient for the formation of larger and more intense clouds, increasing the potential for cloudbursts. Secondly, changes in precipitation patterns are also playing a significant role. Climate models predict shifts in precipitation patterns, with some regions likely to experience more intense rainfall during certain seasons. These changes can lead to situations where specific areas become more favorable for the development of cloudbursts. While it's difficult to directly attribute any single cloudburst event to climate change, the overall trend of more moisture in the atmosphere and changing precipitation patterns create an environment that is more conducive to these extreme events occurring more frequently. The impact of climate change on cloudbursts is not merely theoretical. We've already seen evidence of its effects in recent years. There have been several instances of cloudbursts causing widespread devastation in various parts of the world, and experts believe that as global temperatures continue to rise, these events will likely become more severe and more common. To better understand the future of cloudbursts, in the context of climate change, scientists are employing various approaches. One of these is through the use of climate models. These models allow researchers to simulate past and current climates and project future climate scenarios by incorporating data on factors such as temperature, humidity, and wind patterns. These models can help predict how cloudbursts might evolve under different climate change scenarios. Another approach involves analyzing historical data and identifying trends. By studying historical records of cloudbursts, scientists can gain insights into how these events have occurred in the past and how they might change in the future. This analysis can help in understanding the frequency, intensity, and geographical distribution of cloudbursts over time. Additionally, researchers are conducting field studies and experiments to gather direct observations and data on the conditions that lead to cloudbursts. By conducting experiments in controlled environments, scientists can study the formation and behavior of clouds under various conditions, providing valuable insights into the mechanisms that drive cloudbursts. These efforts are crucial for developing effective strategies to mitigate the risks associated with cloudbursts. As we learn more about the future of cloudbursts, it's essential that we take proactive steps to prepare for the challenges they pose. One important aspect is improving weather forecasting and early warning systems. Advanced meteorological tools and real-time monitoring can provide accurate predictions and timely alerts, allowing communities to take precautions and minimize the impact of cloudbursts. Another crucial area is land use planning. By understanding the factors that contribute to the severity of cloudbursts, such as the presence of impervious surfaces and deforestation, we can develop plans that promote sustainable land management practices. This includes measures like preserving natural vegetation, implementing green infrastructure, and regulating urban development. Public education and awareness are also vital. educating individuals about the risks of cloudbursts, how to prepare for such events, and how to respond effectively can empower communities to take individual and collective actions to mitigate the impacts of these extreme weather events. In conclusion, climate change is undoubtedly influencing the behavior of clouds and the risk of cloudbursts. As our planet continues to warm, we can expect changes in precipitation patterns and an overall increase in atmospheric moisture. These factors combined with other climatic changes create a scenario where cloudbursts might become more frequent and intense. By investing in research, improving forecasting capabilities, planning for land use, and educating the public, we can better prepare ourselves for the challenges posed by cloudbursts and a changing climate. It's essential to stay informed, take proactive steps, and work together to ensure the safety and well-being of our communities. In the face of these extreme weather events, remember, knowledge is the key to unlocking a brighter future for our planet and its inhabitants. Now let's quickly recap what we've covered so far. First, we dived into the heart of the matter, defining what a cloudburst truly is and unraveling the scientific explanation behind its formation. Then we brought history to life, showcasing actual cases of cloudbursts and their impact on civilizations throughout time. And now we've looked ahead into the future, exploring how climate change is reshaping the landscape of cloudbursts and what that means for our world. So where do we go from here? Well, we've got one more exciting section waiting in the wings, mitigating the impact, strategies, and technologies for the future. In this final section, we'll delve into practical solutions and innovative ideas that can help us tackle the challenges posed by cloudbursts head-on. We'll explore cutting-edge technologies, community-based initiatives, and policy changes that are paving the way for a safer, more resilient future. From advanced early warning systems to sustainable land management practices, we'll leave no stone unturned in our quest to mitigate the impact of cloudbursts. Join us as we delve into the realm of possibilities and discover how human ingenuity and collaboration can pave the way for a brighter, more sustainable future. Don't miss out on this final chapter in our journey to understand the cloudburst. Stay tuned and let's continue exploring the fascinating world around us together. And now we'd love to hear from you. Please share your thoughts and insights in the comments below. Your feedback is incredibly valuable to us and helps us create even better content for you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means the world to us and allows us to keep bringing you amazing videos. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey of discovery. Until next time, keep asking questions, keep exploring, and keep dreaming big. The world is full of wonders, and we're so glad to have you with us as we uncover them all.